You have to be satisfied. You just see within yourself if you are satisfied or not. You got the highest that you wanted. You have got the peace. You got the joy. And all the blessings of the divine. Despite that, if you are dissatisfied, you want to do something always that is disturbing. Always some people want to show me off, want to come forward, or they want to escape Sahaja Yoga. Firstly, you must spread Sahaja Yoga. How many people have you brought to Sahaja Yoga? Just think of it. We are Sahaja Yogis. Sahaja Yogis means what? We are saints. In this world, all the saints who became saints with very great difficulty, going through lots of tortures, have done so much work. One single saint has so many people whom they have attracted. Of course, he couldn't give them realization because I have taught you how to do that. But you just find out what are you doing about Sahaja Yoga. Only meditation is not the point. Meditation for what? For equipping yourself to help others. We need it very much in this Kali Yuga, people who will go all out to help. On the contrary, I find that they are very anxious just to meet me, to see me. I have seen all the Indians who come to Kabela must meet me, must see me, as if they have a special right with me. What is the need? What is the need to meet me? But this is the trouble of, say, our conditioning, that supposing there is some leader, some minister coming, everybody will go and show off, like to meet him and talk to him, but not as such. You must have self-esteem. Self-esteem, by which you should know what is your dignity and how you should be. There are Sahaja Yogis who are excellent, who are very good, who are very self-satisfied. I know who they are. And you have to be like that, otherwise you cannot enjoy Sahaja Yoga. You are like all other people, trying to indulge into all nonsensical activities. Now, today's was a real test, because I just couldn't come earlier. You know what is the traffic nowadays. I just couldn't arrive. And still you were sitting here. This gives me great satisfaction. That they really love me and they are really Sahaja Yogis. If you really love me, you must love others who are not Sahaja Yogis and try to give them realization. Because you know my age is quite a lot, and how far can I go? I am not going now to many countries, but Sahaja Yoga is growing fast. Though I am not going there, it is growing. Why? Because people of that country understand their responsibility. Should know you what is your responsibility. Is not only for towards yourself, but it is for the rest of the world. You have to work it out and do something about it. Whatever people you can approach, or whatever people you can meet, go all out. I've seen people who go to some horrible gurus, go on talking about their guru, describing their guru. Anybody who meets them, they go on telling, not Sahaja Yogis. I don't know, maybe they want to preserve their realization. They think if they tell somebody, their realization will drop out. If you don't spread Sahaja Yoga, what is the use of getting your realization? All my labor is wasted on such people who are for themselves. They want something for themselves. Now, for example, so many girls wanted to marry. They are 4 times more, 5 times more than all the boys put together. But if they are not married, they feel very unhappy about it. Doesn't matter. You are now connected to God. Marriage is not always a very great blessing. I tell you, it's not. On the contrary, it can be very binding. It could be very troublesome. So better not feel bad. Should feel bad when you cannot give realizations to them. How many people have I given realization? Just think about it. All the time, like all ordinary people, thinking about marriage and this and that is not going to help. You are something special. Now, what speciality do you have? What are you doing about it? I'm sorry, at the end of this our great Ganpati Pule, I have to tell you this. But sometimes one has to tell also. I know you are all very good Sahajogis, also that you have achieved so much. But what is my desire is that all of you should become like a light and start spreading Sahaja. In some countries it has happened. It is working out and people feel so responsible. I am amazed at them how they are spreading Sahaja. Now the same request I have to make. That please look at yourself, introspect. What have you done? What have you achieved in Sahaja Yoga? Such a satisfaction lies when you really work hard to spread Sahaja Yoga. Many people think that coming nearer me, I feel pleased. I am not. That's no recognition. You should never do that. On the contrary, when you will grow, really, I will know myself. Today is not the day I should have said all this, because it is the day for New Year's Day. But only good decisions are to be taken on the New Year's Day. That's the custom with human beings. So today you all have to take the decision that what are we doing for Sahaja Yoga? What are we giving Sahaja Yoga? What is our achievement? Are we sharing with others? It's the greatest truth we have got. Nobody got it. People worked so hard, did so much. Nobody could give realization. It's only you can give realization. Very surprising. Kabir could not give realization to anybody. Jnanadeva could not give realization to anybody. All of them have been great, great saints of great value system and with great understanding. Whatever poetry they have given, people are singing, that's all. But they cannot give self-realization which you can do. With all that power, if you are not giving realization, what's the use of giving power to someone like that? So today's New Year's message is that next year you must give self-realization to many people. How many people you have given self-realization? That's the main thing. Just find out. What have you done throughout the year? I don't know how to count it. But you yourself count. What have we done? All these years, what have we achieved? Attending my puja is no favor to me. Or doing anything for the puja is no favor to me. My greatest puja is that of human beings. And if you can achieve and spread Sahaja Yoga that fast, I'll be very, very grateful to you. I've worked very hard I've really worked very hard. This body, this mind, all my health, everything I've done for saving people. And you please also tonight decide and take a view that what